Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn about one of the most powerful mental models I've ever seen for understanding human behaviors and emotions, which name is CTFAR, and that is developed by Brooke Castillo. CTFAR stands for circumstances, thoughts, feelings, actions, and results. This model helps you understand why you act the way you act and why you feel the way you feel, and most importantly, how to change them. Okay, let's break it down. The first one is circumstances. Circumstances are the facts. They are observable, neutral, and objective. For example, my manager gave me feedback, or my partner didn't reply to my message. Circumstances are not the problem. They are just what happened. The second one is thoughts. Thoughts are the meaning we give to the circumstances. For example, my manager thinks I'm not good enough, or my partner doesn't care about me. This is the exact moment things start to shift. Different people can have completely different thoughts about the same situation. The next one is feelings. Your thoughts create your feelings. If you think I'm not good enough, you might also feel insecure or anxious. If you think this feedback helps me grow, you might also feel motivated. So your feelings are not coming from the situation, they're coming from your thinkings. The next one is actions. Your feelings drive your actions. For example, if you feel insecure, you might overwork, avoid, or being defensive. And when you feel motivated, you might take constructive actions. And finally, the last one is results. Your actions create your results. For example, if you shut down or avoid, you might actually perform worse, reinforcing the belief that you are not good enough. But if you take action, you improve and create a completely different outcome. Now, here is the most important insight from this mental model. Your thoughts will create your results. Not the circumstances, not other people, your thoughts. This is super powerful because it means you have leverage and agency over your own results. You cannot control the circumstances, but you can start to learn how to observe, challenge, and shift your thoughts and beliefs. When you change your thoughts, you are changing your feelings. And when you change your feelings, you're changing your actions. And finally, when you change your actions, you are changing your end results. Now let's make it practical. Imagine this scenario. Circumstance: your colleague interrupts you in the meeting. Your thought: they don't respect me. Feeling: frustrated. Action: you shut down and become passive-aggressive. The result is that you don't express yourself and the meeting doesn't go well for you. Now, if you shift the thought, you may start thinking like this. Maybe they are excited or they didn't realize. Or let's check with them why they did that instead of assuming their intention. So probably your feelings would be curious and calm, and your action would be you express yourself assertively and respectfully. And finally, the result would be you have been heard and your relationship with them is improved now. So same circumstances, but totally different outcomes, just by shifting your thoughts. This is why CTFAR is so amazing. It gives you a structured way to pause, reflect, and take ownership of your inner world instead of reacting automatically. It is also good to know that CTFAR is a self-coaching model. You can use it to be aware of what's going on in your life. See you in the next one.